All right, listen, we talk a lot about helping people make choices for their Medicare coverage. But what if you're under 65? Well, you know what? Univera Healthcare is there for you too. We have an expert marketplace facilitated enroller with us this morning, Linya Lewis. And Linya, we are going to talk about how you help individuals and families looking for health insurance. So good morning, nice to have you here.
Good morning, thank you for having me.
I can imagine, Linya, everybody is coming to you with a different story. So where do you start?
The first thing I do is I want to talk about their household situation, figure out what their income is, and of course we can only get an estimate. We talk about what they need, if they're comfortable paying a deductible, if they are comfortable with higher premiums per month, and then we just kind of figure out from there what fits their budget.
And you can imagine different people have different needs. There's a lot of insurance plans to choose from, which is why you want to sit down and give Linya some time so she can go over everything with you.
Yeah, so the first thing that we want to do is figure out if they fit into one category versus the other. If you're under the age of 65, we need to try to find you something that's going to work for you at that particular moment. And then we try to make the process as easy as possible, as warm as we can.
Now, as I was reading into it, I understand, because you really do need someone to sit down with you and work yourself through it. For example, there are plans exclusive to Erie County.
Correct.
I did not know that. There are New York State eligibility determination. There's essential plans versus qualified health plans. So what's a qualified health plan?
So a qualified health plan is what I like to refer to as a metal plan. It's the bronze, it's the silver plan, gold, platinum. So we try to put someone in a category that they need. If you need more coverage, less of a deductible, we try to get you into platinum. If you're comfortable paying a higher deductible, then we get you into a bronze plan. The essential plan is for anyone over the ages of 19 up to 64 that they will be paying $0 to $20 per month for just health insurance and $47.73 for health, vision, and dental. In Erie County, we now have Medicaid and Child Health Plus, so we're excited about that.
Yes.
And then with the qualified health plans, we just try to see if you qualify for a tax credit, and then we would help you find something that you could pay after that tax credit is applied to that.
And Linya, what if somebody is now taking their insurance through you, and now they start to age up into Medicare? They can work with you and you can help them kind of roll right into that, right?
We try to make an easy transition. So we start you with until you're 64, and then we try to get you in touch with someone in the Medicare side. So it's an easy transition for everyone.
Wow. Now, are there certain times of the year, like Medicare, when people can enroll?
Yes. So if you qualify for Medicaid, Essential Plan, or Child Health Plus, you have all year to enroll.
Great.
But if you qualify for a qualified health plan, you start the enrollment process between November 1st to January 31st. And if you have a life change event, we try to get you in there within 60 days of that change, and that could be an addition or loss to the household. That could be a change of job, your company is no longer offering insurance, and then we get you into something that fits for you.
Now, Linya, the thing that I notice here too is that, let's say you're going to call the number, you're going to go down to the website and you're going to inquire. If you're going to meet with someone in person, you'll let people know ahead of time what they'll need to bring with them. So that appointment will really, you'll really get a lot of work done.
Right. So we tell people up front to make sure that you know or have your Social Security card for every member of the household. Try to figure out your income or bring your taxes, because we look over the adjusted gross income. We also tell you to bring doctors and prescriptions, just so you have the chance to find something that works for that.
Well, this is why you want to meet a marketplace facilitator like Linya and the rest of the great staff at Univera. They're there for you. Here's the number. Here is the website, the univeradifference.com/U65, which just means under 65. And go get your health care taken care of. These folks will help you in every way possible to make sure that happens.